Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Camry versus Ford Taurus. We will examine key aspects like performance, interior comfort, and overall value to help you decide which sedan best fits your needs. The Camry often excels in fuel economy and long-term dependability, while the Taurus frequently boasts more robust engine choices and a roomier cabin. Let's dive into the details to see how these two popular vehicles stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Camry, especially its hybrid variants, prioritizes impressive fuel efficiency, often reaching over 50 miles per gallon combined. The Ford Taurus, on the other hand, has historically offered more powerful gasoline engine options, with some trims delivering up to 365 horsepower. Both sedans come equipped with advanced features, including intuitive infotainment systems and comprehensive safety suites, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience for all occupants. Inside, the Toyota Camry offers a well-appointed and spacious cabin, comfortably accommodating 5 adults with ample legroom and headroom. The Ford Taurus typically provides even more interior volume, including generous front legroom and shoulder room, along with a larger trunk capacity of over 20 cubic feet. Both vehicles aim for a premium feel, incorporating quality materials, supportive seating, and advanced climate control systems to enhance passenger comfort on both short commutes and long journeys. The Toyota Camry has a long-standing reputation for exceptional reliability, often receiving high scores from automotive experts and owners alike. This contributes to its strong resale value and lower long-term ownership costs. The Ford Taurus has also offered robust safety features, including comprehensive airbag systems and structural integrity designed for occupant protection. Both sedans present compelling value propositions, but their strengths lie in different areas. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.